Alrighty. I usually like to throw a fast one in right after these slow ones. Are y'all good with another slow one? Is that cool? Yeah. We got the whole candlelight mood thing going on. We're good with that? Alright. How about I bring a friend of mine up here? What do y'all think about that? Yeah. Alright. Vocal reinforcement, I love it. Y'all give it up for Miss Vanessa Lynn right here in Nashville, Tennessee.
Hello, y'all. How are y'all doing tonight? Oh, that's too quiet for a Thursday night. Come on. How are you guys doing tonight? That's slightly better. Well, I'm Vanessa Lynn. I'm actually from Texas, but I moved here in March, and it has been amazing to be here. I love getting to sing my own stuff. Right now, I'm going to sing you a cover of one of my favorite artists. I don't know if y'all are familiar with Wetzel, but this song is called Love.
It's been raining 5 whole days, and I know now's not the best time, but I just gotta say that I don't love you. The selfish don't love nobody. I'll give it up one more time for Vanessa Lynn.